So, if you want to customize your Android lock screen clock style, here's exactly how to do it. First, open your settings, then scroll down and go to Home Screen and Lock Screen Settings. Tap on it. Now, look for the option called Clock Style or Lock Screen Clock. Tap on it, and you'll see multiple clock designs available. Just select the one you like. Once you pick a style, you can also customize it further. You'll have options to change the clock wallpaper, style, and depth. If you want, you can also enable the date on the lock screen clock, which is pretty useful. After making all the changes, just tap on Done or Apply to save everything. Now, simply lock your screen, and you'll see your new custom lock screen clock style applied instantly. And that's it. This is how you can easily change lock screen clock style on Android, customize fonts, and adjust colors step by step.